Everyone. So we are talking about the BODMAS rule. So have you all heard about that? Um, BODMAS rule having some different operations. Here B is for bracket. So what are the brackets? This bracket, the curly bracket, and the square bracket. The second one is O. Sometimes we are mistakenly tell the students that O stands for off, which is mean multiply, but this is wrong. Okay, so the actual of the actual O means the order of operations, where we will use the exponents, that means powers. For example, uh, 2 square, 3 square, 4 cube, and so on. Okay, now the next one is D. D is for division, and M is for multiplication, where A is for addition and S is for subtraction. Okay, so these are the operations of BODMAS rule. We will use first solving the brackets, and anything which is inside the bracket is also solved by the BODMAS rule. Okay, then the orders means exponents, powers, squares, cubes, anything. Then we will apply the division, then we will use the multiplication in between the numbers, and then add, and then lastly the subtraction. So for this we will use some examples of BODMAS rule. Now we will consider the example. Oh, so the example is 4 plus 7 multiplied by 3. So what is the answer? Now, according to this rule, we will use, or we will solve the bracket first. So what is inside the bracket? 4 plus 7. So it is only addition here. So we will add them, 11, and then multiply with the 3. So the answer is 11 3s are 33. Okay, now I will have to delete them. Okay, now the second one is, we will have to choose some different one. Yes, okay. Now 5 multiplied by 11 minus 3 multiplied by 20. Now here is inside the multiplication, and here is also inside the multiplication. So 5 11s are 55, 55 minus, and 3 2 is 60, 20 is 60. Now the answer will be here minus 5. Okay, so the answer is minus 5 because of this uh, BODMAS rule. Now the second one will be, these are so much easy examples, right? Now I will use the example that is 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 18 divided by 6 minus 5. So when we divide, so we have to divide 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are 18. So here we will write here the next step is 18. The rest of the thing is remains same. 2 multiply sign we have. Then we will write 3 minus 5. Now it is because apply the BODMAS, because before multiplication we have to do the division that we did, and now we will multiply 2 with the 3, so it will be 6. So 18 divided by bracket 6 minus 5, so the answer will be 8 divided by 1, and the final answer is 18. Okay, I hope it is much clear to you. Now for this we will consider one real life problem. So for that real life example, let's suppose you go on a medical store. So you take three kinds of medicines. Let's suppose medicine A, medicine B, medicine C. Okay, and this is the cost per strip. Okay, and this is the, let's suppose $10. Medicine A cost $10 per strip. Medicine B cost $15 per strip, and medicine C cost $20 per strip. Now medicine A which you buy, the strips, that is 2 strips, it's will be like 4 strips. Oops. So it is 4 strips and it is 3 strips. Okay, so according to the BODMAS rule, when you go for the total cost of 2 strips, so you have to multiply this number by this number. 4 strips, you will have to multiply 4 with the 15 and 20 with the 3. So it will be 20, it will be 15 fours are $60, and 20 is also $60. Okay, now for this, if I will apply by BODMAS rule on it, so here medicine A cost plus medicine B cost plus medicine C cost. So how it will be happen like this, that 10 will multiply with the 2 for this medicine A, plus 15 multiplied by 4 for this medicine B, plus C, that is medicine C. So 20 multiplied by 3, so it will be the 20 plus 60 plus 60. So it is $140 per cost. Okay, now what happened here? Let's suppose you will have the discount amount on it. The discount is like 20% on the total cost. Okay, so here for this 140%, we will have to find the value 20%. Okay, so 14 twos are will be 28. Now you will have the discounted amount, that is $28. So when you buy, the $28 will be subtracted from your, so it is amount we get, that is $112. This is the cost that you will pay for your three kinds of medicines. I hope you got it. So just do comment, like, and share with your friends, and tell them that BODMAS is also applicable in real life whenever you buy something. So it is applicable on there. Thank you.